This is Mamata Samaras. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, we can see this is the right side view, this is the top view, and this is the cross-sectional view. Okay. So in our case, first of all, I will start drawing from the right side plane. In the right side plane, we can first of all I will draw a rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of 90 unit by 31 unit. Then I will extrude it to 80 unit. After that has been done, we can see we have some portion extrude cut portion here and some extrude cut portion here. And for cutting this portion, first of all I will draw a rectangular shape here, and this rectangular shape has a dimension of 10 by 90 minus 40 divided by 2. Okay, this portion. Then we can see we have another rectangular shape like here, and this rectangular shape has a dimension of 31. This vertical distance is 31 minus 15 minus 10. Okay, and this horizontal distance is 90 minus 38 divided by 2. Okay, after drawing this shape, we can see we have a triangular shape. I will draw a inclined line of 45-degree angle, then I will draw a horizontal line, then I will trim this extra portion, then I will trim this portion. After that I will draw a center line here and mirror this other portion also. Okay, after doing that I will extrude cut it to through all both sides. Okay, let's go back to our sketch and first let's do this. So in our sketch I am selecting the right plane here, and now select sketch, and from that select the center rectangle tool. Okay, and after selecting the center rectangle tool, place the center rectangle here, and now dimension it to 31 by 90. So dimension it to 31 by 90. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to from the mid plane. Now extrude boss it to 80 unit. Now press OK. So this portion has been done. Now it's time for all the extrude cut rectangle. So I am selecting the right plane again. Now sketch, now normal to it. Now select a corner rectangle from here, and after that place the corner rectangle here and draw a dimension of 10 unit by 90 unit minus 40 unit divided by 2. So it will be 25 unit. Again in the upper portion we will draw another rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of 31 minus 15 unit minus 10 unit. So it will be 6 unit. Then we have a horizontal distance of 90 unit minus 38 unit divided by 2. So it will be 26 unit. Now select the line tool and draw an inclined line, and now select the smart dimension tool, and this internal line has a this angle of 45-degree angle. So now dimension it to 45-degree angle. Okay, now again select the line tool and draw another horizontal line. Okay, this portion has been done. Now select the trim option and trim the unnecessary line that we don't need. Okay, trimming all the unnecessary line. Now press OK. After that, now select the center line here and draw a center line here, and after drawing a center line, now select the mirror entities and select entities to be mirror. So I want to mirror this portion, and select all the lines, and after that select this lower rectangle. Okay, now select the mirror about. I want to mirror about this center line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all both sides. Okay, through all both sides. Now press OK. So this two portion has been done quite well. Now let's go back to our sketch. In our sketch we can see that we have a circular cut in this portion, and for drawing this circular part, if we look back to this cross sectional area, okay, you can see this back face circular portion has been given. It is 23.86 diameter, but this upper portion diameter is not given. for calculating this value, if we draw a horizontal line here, and we can see this inclined line with this horizontal line has an angle of 1.44 degree, and we have a vertical distance of 74 unit. So if we draw a geometrical figure like this one, so this distance is 74 unit and the angle is 1.44 degree. Okay, so we need to calculate this portion, and for calculating this portion, if we use the tan theta, we will get the value of 74 multiplied by 10 1.44 degree, 10 1.44 degree. So then we will get this portion, so we will get calculate this portion, and if we subtract 23.86 from these two portion, then we will get the value of this line. So this value will be 23.86 minus multiplication of these two. So then our this circular diameter will be 20.14 diameter. Okay, so let's go back to our sketch and draw this portion, and we can see, so this line also have the same diameter, 20.14 unit. So first of all, I'll in this face I'll draw a 20.14 diameter circle, then I will cut it to 80 minus 74, which will be 6 unit here. Then I will draw another circle here, 20.14 unit, and draw another circle of 23.86 unit. Then I will use the loft cut to cut this portion. Okay, let's go back to our sketch and selecting this face. Now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it. After that, select the circle here and place the circle to the origin and draw a circle of 20.14 diameter. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut, now extrude cut it to 80 minus 74. So select the blind option here and draw 80 minus 74. So it will be 6 unit. Now press OK. So this extrude cut portion has been done. So I am selecting again this surface. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now draw the same circle. If I can select this portion and use the convert entities to draw the same circle. Okay. Now exit sketch, and this circle has been done. So we need to draw another circle in the backward face. So I am selecting this backward face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. After that, select the circle again and draw a circle of 23.86 units. So draw a circle of 23.86 unit. Okay. Now isometric it for a better view. Now exit sketch. Now we need to use the loft cut feature. So I am selecting the from feature option, select the loft cut features, and we from the tree select the sketch 4 and sketch 5. Okay, and match this 2 point. Okay, matching this 2 point. Okay, so we can see our lofted cut is showing. So now press OK. So this lofted cut portion has been done quite well. Now isometric it for a better view. Let's go back to our sketch again, and in our sketch, let me clear all of this. In our sketch, we can see that we have two circular cut. One is here and another is here. And this upper circular cut has a diameter of 18 unit, and this lower circular cut has a diameter of 11 diameter. And we can see this 18 diameter circular cut has a extrude cut of 10 unit, and this lower 11 circular cut has a extrude cut of lower than that. So if we go back to our sketch in this top plane, we can see this circular profile has a distance from this center line will be 38 divided by 2, and from this center line the distance will be 60 divided by 2. Okay, then I will mirror this circle and mirror other two circle extrude cut. So let's go back to our sketch. So I am selecting the sketch. Now select this top face. Now select sketch. Now normal to it. After that, select the circle here and place the circle here and draw a circle of 18 diameter. Okay, now select the smart dimension tool from here, and from this origin and this circle there is a distance of 38 divided by 2 unit. Okay, and from this circle center to this origin the distance is 60 divided by 2 unit. Okay, now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to 10 unit. Okay, extrude cutting it to 10 unit. Now press OK, and again select this inner face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. After that select the circle tool again and draw a circle of to previous circle center and draw a circle of 11 diameter. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all. Okay, so extrude cutting it to through all. Now we need to mirror this portion to in other sides also. So for that I am selecting, first of all I will mirror in this side. So I am selecting the front plane. Now select the mirror. So as I have selected the front plane, so the mirror face has been selected more front plane automatically. Now features to be mirror, I want to mirror this extrude cut 3 portion and extrude cut 4 portion. Now press OK. So this side extrude cut has been done. Now we need to also copy this portion in this other side also. So isometric it for a better view, and this time I will select the right plane and now select the mirror option from the features. And as I have selected the right plane, it has been selected automatically as the mirror face by mirror plane. And now go to features to be mirror. I want to mirror the extrude cut 3 portion and extrude cut 4 portion and the mirror 1 portion. Okay, now press OK. So all the extrude cut has been done as usual. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go back to our sketch. In our sketch we can see that we have some rectangular cut here. Okay, and this rectangle, for drawing this rectangular cut I'll draw a inclined line and make it an angle of 45-degree angle. Okay, then I will draw a square shape like here. Then I will cut through all, and then I will mirror this other side also. And in our sketch we can see that we have a chamfer of here, and this chamfer has a dimension of 2 by 45-degree angle. And we can see we have another chamfer here and another chamfer here, and this chamfer has a dimension of 1 by 45-degree angle. So we will also do that in this time. Okay, let's go back to our sketch again. So going back to our sketch and selecting the right plane. Now sketch. Now normal to it. After that select the line tool from here and draw an inclined line. Okay, drawing an inclined line. So after that inclined line has been drawn, now select the smart dimension tool and select this line and this line. Draw an angle of 45-degree angle, and after that select this line again and dimension it to 3 unit. Okay, dimension it to 3 unit. So this line has been drawn. Now zoom it here and now select the center line and draw a center line from here, and this center line has a distance of 3 unit. Okay, so I have drawn this center line, and now go back to offsetting entities and select this center line. As the total distance is 3 units, so the half distance will be 3 divided by 2, 1.5 unit. Now select the bidirectional. Now select cap int. Now select line. Now press OK. So our rectangle square has been drawn quite well. So we took it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to. Now select the contour. So I want to extrude cut this portion. Okay, so I am going to extrude cut this 2 portion. Okay, now select the through all both features. Now press OK. So this extrude cut portion has been done. So we need to mirror do the same thing in the other side also. So I am going to mirror it. So for that I am selecting the front plane. Now select mirror. As we have selected the front plane first, so it has been selected as the mirror face. Now features to be mirror. When from the tree we want to mirror the extrude cut 5 here. Now press OK. So this extrude cut portion has been done. Now we need to draw all the chamfers. For doing the chamfer, go to chamfer in the chamfer box. Now select the dimension, and I will select the first dimension 1. Okay, and it is 45-degree, and it has been situated in this upper portion. I'm selecting the full preview option to get a preview here, and also select this portion. Now press OK. So this chamfer side has been done. Now we need to draw another chamfer here, and for that I'm going to select the chamfer option from here, and now dimension it to 2 unit. Now select this edge and this other edge. Now press OK. This 2s has been done. Now if we see, we have quite done well. Now isometric it for a better view. So let's go back to our sketch. We can see our this portion, and in our main sketch this portion all are quite same. As you can see, we have done our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.